Hi and welcome back. I'm just in my garden now, looking at the coconut trees behind our house, trying to find a solution to coconuts and branches from the coconut trees landing on our roof. And for those of you who've ever experienced anything like it, when a coconut comes down from a tree that's that tall, it hits your roof about the same way an anvil would if someone dropped it out of a parking building onto the top of your house. And so you just got to find a solution, a bulletproof roof of sorts. All right, so back to the algos. So I'm currently working on one of the two algos. I have buy and sell zones algo, which is a liquidity distribution robot, and then I have asset strength reversion, which is a mean reversion algo. So they're two completely different things. The first one identifies patterns of liquidity distribution, imbalance in supply and demand in a price feed, and places limit orders at these zones in an attempt to capitalize on moves away and back into them. And that works very nicely. And then I have this other one, which is called the ASR, the asset strength reversion, which is a very different one. And this one, it uses very simple mathematics to identify deviations from a mean, and it looks for like certain patterns or signals, whatever, and it takes trades in the direction towards the mean, and it's pretty effective. And so this weekend I was working a lot on some of the risk mitigation for the ASR. So trivial stuff like updating the break-even stop functionality, and also partial take profits, which is almost done. And so this is what I'll be testing this week. I was having some challenges with the partial profits, because when you close an order, you have to be able to know, you have to in some way know if you've already done it on that order. And you can't update comments, otherwise I would put like a little flag or some kind of a note in the comment, but you can't do that. And so I have to try and figure out how to do that. And so what I've decided to do is to create a list, and every time I update an order, I chuck the ticket number of that order into the list. And then before I do partial take profits on another order, I see if the ticket number is in the list. And so this is what I'm currently going to test now. So yeah, that's it for the time being. It's a beautiful day here, as you can see, my beautiful garden. It's very, very pretty here today. We've had a little bit of rain over the past few days, but apart from that, it's good. The garden is growing beautifully. Just harvested my bananas yesterday, and so quite happy about that. All right, good. I'm going to leave it at that for the time being. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. Thanks for watching.